When you have a good program and you're running good parts, the last thing you want to do is change your setup or add new tooling to the mix. But stick around, because in this video, we're going to change this old insert to this. So I've worked in the machine shop for about 15 years, making many different parts that go into Haas machines similar to these. And if somebody walked up asking to switch to a new insert, I might not be too happy about it. Could it really be worth my while to swap out a tried and true insert for something new? Let's find out. Miguel here is finishing these 40 taper spindle housings out of class 30 grey cast iron. He's using a TCMT 3252 insert. Let's see how quickly we can find that insert at haastooling.com. In just a minute, I found a compatible insert using the filters 02-0712. It's the exact same size insert, TCMT 3252, with a chip breaker and grade specifically for cast iron. And now we're to the part that might make you hesitant about making a change like this: speeds and feeds. A quick look back at the Haas Tooling website and you'll see that the recommended numbers for this insert fall right here. These are also comparable to the current insert parameters. However, due to the boring bar hangout and other factors, we are running to the low end of what's recommended. So I'm going to leave the parameters the same and we will just drop this insert in and let it run. Worst case, you make a small adjustment to the program, but you can do that quickly and easily. In this case, if the boring bar hangout wasn't a factor, I would change this speed and this speed to what's recommended on the chart. And now we're set. We are back to running parts. And I've just cut the cost of each insert in half. Even if you're not the one paying for the tools, can you really justify not saving that amount of money? It's been a week since we changed over to the Haas inserts, and I've been told by the operators that we are yielding 2 extra parts per corner compared to the previous insert. So to recap, the tool holder, the program, and the cycle time never changed, but this one 3-edged insert yields 6 extra parts and the cost of the insert halved. Fantastic results and not a lot of your valuable time spent on these savings. Give Haas Tooling a try. I think you'll be surprised at how simple and low risk it is to make the switch. Thanks for watching.